What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing a gaming test on the new Pixel 6 Pro. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. We have a bunch of games on here that we're going to go ahead and test, and I've seen a few different videos, not too many on the gaming aspect of the Pixel 6 Pro, but it seems like they were kind of short, so we're going to do a playthrough match of like Call of Duty. We're going to try to survive as long as we can in PUBG Mobile and Fortnite, and we're probably not going to be checking out Temple Run 2, to be quite honest, because we already know that's going to work flawlessly. But if you guys don't know already, we have the new Tensor chipset in here that is actually made by Google, so that's great to get some hardware or a chipset that's made by Google, and it seems to be running perfect with all of the tasks that I've been running so far. We also have 12 gigabytes of RAM inside this device for the Pixel 6 Pro, and we have about 8 in the regular Pixel 6, and of course we have that 120 hertz screen on this display that looks absolutely beautiful. Really excited to check out to see how these games work and what graphics we can set them on, and if you guys have any other games you guys want me to check out, definitely leave them in the comment section down below, and I might just go ahead and make another video on it. But first game we're gonna go and check out is Call of Duty Mobile right here. We're gonna probably not put this on full volume because it does get really loud with these stereo speakers, but let's get straight into this. So for this, we're just gonna go ahead and play multiplayer. Let's go ahead and run a free-for-all match, and I believe I am what level am I? Level 19 now. So if you guys do want to play, or you guys want to add me on this, I have been playing this like religiously, so let me know if you guys want to play this together, and we'll go ahead and try to run something. But let's go ahead and run through this entire match. The graphic settings that we have on right now, let's go ahead and check those out. So the graphics that we have are very high and very high. Let's go ahead and set the frame rate to max, and let's go ahead and set that up. Nice. So far looks really good. I believe this game you can run at 60 FPS as well, which is nice to see, and this is running absolutely perfect so far. The graphics look really good on this as well. This seems to be playing very smoothly, and this has to be one of my favorite games on the Play Store, to be quite honest. Let's see if we can get a dub right here though. Also, stereo speakers on this device, insanely captivating. Double kill right there. Triple. Nice. Oh, I guess we just took him out right there. Great. Him too. Let's go ahead and melee someone after we try this, see how that animation looks. Got an elimination right there as well. Spy plane first and foremost, and then let's go ahead and try a katana kill. Maybe another. There we go. Got the war machine as well. There has been no slowdown whatsoever either. But it seems like we're ranking right now as well, which is great to see. And we lost our kill streak right there. Could have meleeed, but doesn't matter. We're about to get this dub right now. 2 more. Absolutely love the maps on this game as well. It's kind of like reminds me of the old Black Ops, and I've like missed it a lot because there's like no one online. Obviously because it's super old, but this kind of brings me back to all of that. And we secured the dub right there with 20 kills, and we got first place. Runs perfectly. No heating issues whatsoever on this phone so far. Let's move on to the next game. Next game we're going to try out is going to be Fortnite, so let's go ahead and see what graphics this runs on, and see how good we can do on this. Alright, so we're back in here now. We have that obnoxious new Halloween song that it seems Fortnite thought was cool, but let's go ahead and load up this game. In settings, yeah, 30 frames per second is the max, but we can also go all the way up to epic, and I believe it's locked for every phone at 30 frames per second. I believe even the S21 Ultra and other flagship devices like that one, but we're gonna see what we can do in here. Now, just a warning, I do suck at this game on mobile. On PC, I'm much better. I still probably kind of suck, but yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. So graphics look good. Really nothing too out of the ordinary right here. This is definitely what I would expect with Fortnite, but it looks decent. So let's go ahead and wait for the drop and see how the foliage and everything looks and the topography from the mountains and the rest of the map, because usually on even flagship devices they tend to not load all that stuff in. Okay, so everything looks like it's loaded in. Honestly, looks really, really good. That surprised me. Cool. So let's go ahead and drop on, let's go to Pleasant Park, I believe. Is that Pleasant? Yes, sir, it is Pleasant Park. So let's go ahead and drop over there. It seems like a lot of people drop over there, so that's why I want to go over there, get straight into the action. And for this, let's actually go ahead and turn up the volume a bit. Really, really loud, really captivating, as I said before. It seems like everything loaded in just fine, and the rest of the map looks really good, and looks like we can see everything as well. So that's something that you don't get on every device, and with this one, it's definitely going to deliver. So graphics loading in fine. Okay, so we got a grenade launcher straight away. Let's go and crouch. Nice. Okay. Aw, man. This is not good. Are you kidding me right now? Alright, so we're going to load in again. We're going to skip all of this. I'll see you guys in a second. And again, I'm sorry. I suck at this game. Wow, that was embarrassing. Also, phone, forgot to say, extremely comfortable in the hand. And my favorite form factor on a device this year. Feels so good. Very premium feel. And loving this device's hardware so far. Alright, I don't want to disappoint you guys. So let's see if we can get at least one elimination. Hopefully 2, and let's go ahead and test out the cars and everything else as well, see how that goes. Actually, all right, there we go. Dude was just trying to make that blow up. Look what happened. A few other people that dropped over here as well. Also, always like the theme of the Halloween theme on Fortnite. Always looks super cool. Looks like we got a drop right there. Is that a drop? What is that? That's weird. It was like some balloon or something. Who dat? Nice. Elimination. Dude, like, totally wrecked my car. What the heck? That's not cool, man. Let's go ahead and try out building, though, a bit. This is going to be a bit of a challenge for me, since not great at building. Someone needs to teach me how to play this mobile game. Okay. I think someone else is on me. We have a turret right here as well. Haven't seen any slowdown so far. Maybe in the lobby a bit, but as far as in-game, no slowdown whatsoever. Game looks good, plays good as well. Let's try to get a few more eliminations and call it a day. He's over there, actually. Cool. Nice. Elimination. Yeah, this game's running good, though. I'm surprised I got a few eliminations because I'm really bad at this game, but Colors look great, graphics look great as well, and I'm definitely surprised how this plays. No glitching or anything so far, and you guys are gonna have a really good time playing this game. And it's pretty much the same as if you were playing this on PC, honestly. Obviously not as good as the graphics and stuff like that, but you guys are gonna have the same amount of fun, if not more. And as you guys already know, the last and final game we're gonna go and try out on here is going to be PUBG Mobile, one of the most popular games on the Play Store. And I know you guys wanted me to test this out. Got a lot of comments for this one, so let's see how this goes. All right, everyone, so game is booted up. We're gonna go ahead and start a little classic match right here, and we're gonna get some pair-ups. But they do have some new game modes and stuff like that in here, and some new themes and stuff for Halloween, so this is definitely a game you guys are going to want to check out if you haven't done so already, especially if you're into like third-person shooters and stuff like that. Really great game. I'm sure you guys know about it already if you're watching this, but we're going to go and check the graphics once the game starts, and we're going to get straight into the action. Alright, so getting into settings, let's go to the graphics right here. It looks like we can set all the way up to HDR, and for a frame rate it's going to be at ultra. It also says the device becomes more hot and the game becomes choppy, and the battery life is lowered, but I don't think the game is going to become choppy on here with the tensor chip and that 12 gigabytes of RAM in here, but we'll see what happens. But it looks like we have some decent frame rate on here as well. It looks like we get 60. Honestly, when I was playing right now, it looks, yeah, pretty sure we get 60 FPS. Wow, this looks good. This looks really good. Yeah, I haven't seen this type of gameplay on a lot of devices, and I feel like it surprises me all the time. But we're gonna go ahead and drop, see how this looks. The topography, the foliage, and everything. The mountains looks great, beautiful, very smooth. And let's see if there's any slowdown. So far, the phone itself is actually not hot at all. It did get a little bit warm when I was playing Fortnite, but it cooled down extremely quick. So that's something I have to definitely note. But I'm excited to see how this plays. So let's go ahead and drop in a sec and get some action done. So the dropping and the animations of the wind and everything, and the looks great. Looks really good. Alright, so there was some graphic loading right there. Some rendering. So far though, not complaining. Everything seems to be running perfectly. And if there's any issues, I'm definitely going to bring them up in this video. Just so you guys would know. But looks beautiful. Honestly, looks really good. Let's get in this house and get a weapon and see if we can't do some damage. Shadowing and everything looks really good on here. I have the realistic mode set. Tell me in the comment section down below what mode you guys have, because I think there's like 5 different modes you can set. It looks like by default it's set on realistic, which is cool. I'm not complaining. Looks really good. The terrain and everything and the trees look beautiful. And hopefully the camera picks it up, because I know it's not doing it justice, but what I'm seeing looks beautiful. So hopefully you guys can see it. If not, I'm sorry. Hopefully you can see it when you get the phone. Let's take this. No slowdown whatsoever with the recoil or anything. Beautiful gameplay right there. This has definitely been so far the best experience that I've had on PUBG. Alright, well, we got a car. Not the coolest car of all time, but it's a car. So yeah. Honk honk. Looks great though. 60 FPS. I can definitely see that this is 60 frames per second right now. Looks really smooth. Phone has not heated up at all, which is nice to see. Great. And we're gonna go ahead and pull up to the town right here and see if there's some action going on. See if we can get invited to the party. Oh, we got a dude right there. Cool. Alright, so everything seems to be running beautifully on here. It didn't really warm up too much, maybe a little bit of warmness on the back of the device. Yeah guys, very great phone to game on right here. I've really been enjoying my experience with this phone lately, and I think you guys are really gonna enjoy the Pixel 6 Pro. That was my gaming test on the new Pixel 6 Pro. If there's anything else you guys would like me to do on this phone, definitely leave it in the comment section down below. But hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.